Okay, we're doing a 5-ton AC change out today. 16 seer, really tall coil, not barely enough room, so we're gonna have to disconnect this guy, and the new door goes right from there. Although I think the coil actually goes up into the canvas when we're done. So we'll get going on that. Corey's out pumping it down. Okay, we got this tore open here. And we are going to put a triangle piece on here so our coil can reach all the way down, giving us the height we need to get up in there. Be nice if I could get it up even higher so I don't have to. It's always nice to have a little space between the coil and the furnace there. But let's see how it goes here. Heat exchanger looks really good. Okay, we got this 5-ton beast going here. Nice pad. Fuses in there?
No.
No fuses. Put that cover back on then.
I'm gonna have to get the cleaned under, huh?
It's a monster coil. So, biggest issue here, to get our height, we got to keep it hanging as far this way as possible. Our airflow is only 21 and a half about. And that's going to cut off part of that. So we almost need to get it up higher. Let's see, 22 and a half. 23 is more like it. We have to try and get it up a little bit. Up into that canvas, probably all the way up to the openings if we can. Alright, I got my platform in here. I bent these down to get me more over this way as far as I can, and the same in the back. And that coil should fit in there. So I'm going to slide her in. Alright, there she is. She's in there. And I kept it this way as far as I could. Be nice to get it even farther that way, but don't want to blocking off part of the airflow here. Right here. You know, it's open about an inch there. It's a tight fit, that's for sure. I'm just going to button this back up, get my door on there. Where's my door? There it is. Figure out how to get that on. We got to get the bypass cut back in. Bypass damper. Probably just measure that off the other one and figure it out from there. Finally stopped raining. Corey's got the AC all done out here. We're just wrapping up the wiring. He'll be sitting here waiting on me. That old unit has a 60 amp breaker. We got to change the breaker to a 40. No, I haven't got my coil in yet. I came out to get some foam tape. It's a tight fit. So we're going to tape up all of the lines that are close to each other and the ones that are close to the front, just so we don't get any line rub holes here. Got her in, all hooked back up. Was quite a chore. Just gotta caulk that gap there.
How's that picture? How's it take the pictures?
I'm not sure I like them. The ones I took of my ma yesterday, she was clear, but the barn way in the background was fuzzy. I didn't like, huh?
She was over at your house?
Yeah.
Talk to your dad?
No, I need to go see him. Maybe tomorrow. Another customer of mine right across the pond there. Been a slow week, but we're booked out through Wednesday and probably Thursday of next week. It's Friday. Let's see, we did a job on Monday, and it's only our second job of the week.
There it is, sir.
Anyway, changing out this 100,000 in this teeny little house. We're putting in a 60. Getting rid of the humidifier, getting rid of the air cleaner, putting a 1-inch filter boot. So we're gonna hit it. Okay, we got her tore out, and coil's clean for the most part. Corey, grab a broom.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna clean this up. Get the new one in here. Okay. We got the furnace in there. Just got to cut that drop down to 25.5. Slam that in there. Get some brackets on this canvas. And we're trying to get it pitched properly. The coil's coming out the right side here, which is kind of odd. And then we got to get the furnace, make sure it's pitched to the front, or our secondary will be holding water. Slow but sure. There she is. She's mint. Done deal. And no, I didn't pipe that crooked. I just used what was here. I don't like not being able to change from my